gon' burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Superfly. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, Steve Madden Ballad White from SteveMadden.com are both flirty and fun, while sporty and fly, and cannot be denied by faux fur lovers as the simple, crisp, and clean platform mule sneakers with a flashy showing of faux fur detailing allows for easy pairing with just about anything while serving up a kick-ass design. Whether walking the dog in the park or enjoying an afternoon of shopping, these casual cool kicks just won't quit for any season and is not only suitable for adults but teens as well, offering a stylish moment to any outfit that dares. If wanting more sporty styles with a twist of edginess, then tap that like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get a notification each and every time I post, and I can continue to bring you the best in shoes, news, and reviews. And don't forget to tell your friends and family about Superfly. The Steve Madden Ballad Whites here in a US size 9 for $89.95, excluding tax and shipping, are exclusively on the designer's website in varying sizes ranging from 5.5 to 11, with an expected ship date of October 30th, 2020. Featuring high quality man-made upper material and sole, soft faux fur inner lining, and a 2.25-inch platform. The slip-on style with lightly cushioned footbed and a classically fashioned backless platform design offers adjustable lacing construction, non-slippery outsole, preventing fall off, and easy slide on, slide off flexibility, so you don't have to fuss with the laces. Keep your cool on lock in these stylish kicks that offers a fit true to size. Now, I didn't quite know how I would feel about these, but once on, they became a winner, as they truly do complement your feet and look so cute on. I personally styled them with a pair of bell bottoms, given the needed height. Great height to prevent the dragging of the my bells on the ground, and found that despite the fur not showing under my bell bottoms, I was able to create an additional look with the Steve Madden Ballad Whites, as I can style them without showing the faux fur and style them showing the faux fur. My choice. Go for faux, go faux fur, or go home. Go fur, fur, go faux fur. Say that like 5 times really fast. Anyway, it's like 2 shoes in one depending on your attire. I caution care. Oh, let me tell you how I caution care in wear, as any scratch or mark on these all whites will definitely show up and cause you some commotion. So move with respect. Put respect on them, and don't be reckless like me, as I can jack up a pair of fresh whites just by driving. Let me ask you, how long does it take for your fresh whites to get a scratch or 2? Or how long do yours last? A month, 2 months, 6 months? Let me know in the comment section. I'm curious. Anyway, I'm certifying the Steve Madden Ballad Whites Superfly and a must buy. So do buy these if you're looking for comfort and ease in wear, with a trendy style and hot look that's popular everywhere right now. Every designer has created some form of platform sneaker. Here, take a closer look. Hey superheroes, SteveMadden.com allows a $0 payment on your purchase of the Ballad White, as well as on other online purchases also, with your first payment due 2 weeks from the time of purchase, with 4 interest-free installment payments of just $22.49 through Afterpay. You can try now and pay later, enjoying your purchase right away and making the first payment 2 weeks later. Order, receive, and try on. Keep what you like and return what you don't like. Pay thereafter every 2 weeks with 0 interest and no fees when you pay on time. In order to qualify, you must be over 18, a resident of the U.S., and meet additional eligibility criteria to qualify. Estimated payment amounts shown on product pages exclude taxes and shipping charges, which are added at checkout. Select Afterpay as your payment method using your existing payment card and complete checkout. No long firms. Obtain approval decision instantly and rock on. For complete terms, click on the Afterpay logo on SteveMadden.com for complete terms. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.